All right, the last feature that I want to quickly preview for you is the Publish button. Now keep in mind that this button is essentially the gateway to an entirely new world called Power BI Service. It's got a ton of features and functionality, sharing tools, collaboration tools, apps, workspaces, data gateways. The list goes on. The fact is, it's just way too much to try to cover as part of this course, but I do want to take just 30 seconds to show you what the process kind of looks like to get started. So keep in mind, I am signed in. You see my name in the upper right. And when I publish, it's going to allow me to publish to my workspace, which is the default. This is kind of a blank canvas account right now. Press select, and it's off and running, starting to load this up to Power BI Service. So there you go, success. Usually takes around 20 to 30 seconds, not long at all. And then from there, you can click the link, and that's going to take me right into app.powerbi.com or Power BI Service, and populate and render the report. So here's my report, still fully functional, fully interactive, all of the tools, everything we created, including the drill throughs. It's all maintained here exactly as it was in desktop, even our parameter testing. Our buttons link really smoothly. And this is where you'll find all of these tools that allow you to start sharing this content, collaborating with coworkers, creating apps and workspaces. This is also where you can publish either to the web or to SharePoint. You can export to PowerPoint, download as a PBIX. Now, one thing I will say is that this report could be published to the web because it contains no private or proprietary data. That said, if you do choose to publish and share this publicly, all I ask is that you please just give a quick shout out to the course. So again, we're going to drill into all of the functionality in this whole Power BI Service world in the upcoming course, but that just about wraps up our desktop features.